Welcome class. This video is to demonstrate how to access your online Excel document. If you haven't downloaded it to your computer, this will be the way you also download it. So if you're using OneDrive or if you need to download Excel or other Office components to your computer, here's how you do so. So located in front of you here is just a regular old Google. I've visited enough that Butler Community College is just one of my hot links on there. Yours may be different. Either way, go to butlercc.edu. So it'll take you to this site. Here we're going to click on email login. It will prompt you to log in. Use your full email address login. It should be your first initial, last name. You may have a number after that, followed with @butlercc.edu. Put in the password that you set up and sign in. It may prompt you here for, do you want to stay signed in? It's your personal computer. You may want to. Generically, you don't need to, so no is a good option here. This is my work computer that I use solely for this. It's locked up except for these type of activities, so I'm going to say yes here. And you're going to come into your Office 365 account. Now, depending on what you've done in Office 365 before, you will either load into this screen, or some of you will automatically preload into this screen with Outlook, that is the actual email client. If you load into the Outlook screen, you're going to be looking for this little box of rectangle, this little rectangle box up in the top left corner, the box of dots, whatever you want to call it. The app launcher is what Windows calls it. You go ahead and click on that app launcher, and when you click on that app launcher, it's going to take you back to that option to click on all of these. For us, we're going to choose Office 365 from the app launcher, taking us back to that page that has all of these apps on it. Now, if you have not installed Office Suite at all, so if you don't have OneDrive, you don't have Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Teams on your computer, this is a way that you can install it for free. So just click Install Office here, and you can install with different languages. You can install with different presets. So say you're actually a native English speaker, but you're working on French class, so you want to install it in the French format. There you go. You can install it as the French version of Word, and it will type in French, spell check in French for you, that kind of stuff. You can also do the Office 365 version, which is basically the online version, and it automatically stays updated for you. So you can install that. The last option is you can utilize Excel online. So by clicking Excel here, you can go in online and start working on these. So you can see that I've got several of these that are already saved. So for example, I have my office hours sheet for a semester here. Pull it up. You can edit it directly in here and start modifying it, working with it. That's a possibility. These exist. I will warn you that some of the steps we do work very well this way. For example, you can do the conditional formatting. The formatting is a table. That's great. However, with that being said, when you get into the actual like inserting the charts and stuff, it's not as robust of a tool set. You don't have as much control over it. So it becomes really limiting when you want to work, especially with charts and graphs inside of the online app, and I would recommend against doing so unless you've got a lot of experience already doing it. Side note here, could you use other software? Could I use OpenOffice, LibreOffice, or maybe even Google Docs or Google Sheets, as this case would be? You could. All of those have the ability to be exported into a Windows compatible format that's going to interact with Excel or interact with Word. The issue is the formatting. When you do that process, usually gets destroyed or messed up. So I would advise you against it. So this quick video showed you how to access Excel online. as well as how to download Excel onto your computer, where to go, where to log in, and how to get that for yourselves. Once again, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to get a hold of your instructor, myself potentially. Our phone numbers are located on the syllabus. Have a great day.